To make this General Tso tofu recipe, I use 600 grams of homemade firm tofu. It's a vegan version of famous General Tso chicken. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. The recipe will be much better with homemade tofu. You can watch my video to learn how to make it. Cut the tofu into cubes. Mince a spring onion. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger. Take a teaspoon. To prepare the seasoning sauce, put in a bowl 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of shaoxing cooking wine, 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 10 centiliters of water. Combine. To thicken the sauce when cooking, dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Fry the tofu cubes in the oil over medium heat for 5 minutes. Flip them halfway through cooking. The tofu cubes turn golden. Take them out. Now, put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chopped garlic and the grated ginger. Stir from time to time. When they start to be golden, add the seasoning sauce. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Put the diluted cornstarch. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add the tofu cubes. Turn on medium heat. Let them soak in the sauce for 3 minutes by stirring them occasionally. Cut the fire. General Tso tofu is ready. Eat it with a bowl of jasmine rice. Bon appétit! This dish is delicious. The sauce is sweet and sour and slightly hot. For those who can't eat spicy, replace the tablespoon of chili paste with a 1/4 of chopped red pepper. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.